What's up everybody, my name's Eric V and today we're going to be reviewing the best backpack ever. Are you guys looking for a versatile backpack that's stylish, that you can use on day hikes, that you can use in the city, and that's very tech savvy? Well, this is the backpack for you. So a while ago, I was in search for a backpack that was versatile, stylish, that I could take on day hikes, and something that could hold my DSLR and laptop. And for a while, I was searching all over the web for a backpack that fit my needs. So I really wanted a backpack that didn't scream camera bag, saying that I had thousands of dollars of equipment in my bag when I go traveling. So I wanted something more discreet, stylish, and had a more simplistic look. But I also needed a bag that could hold my 15-inch laptop, a DSLR, had easy access to the DSLR, but also hold the rest of my stuff. But also had to be durable so I can take it on some day hikes, maybe some overnight hikes, and was just rough enough to take around the world on my travels. There was a lot of backpacks that I looked at. One was the Provoke from Wandered. It was a startup company that came up with a bag, but it seemed like it wasn't durable enough for me, and I wasn't really sure about an unreputable company. Manfrotto had a couple bags too, but most of them screamed camera bag, and the ones that didn't, they just didn't have the size that I needed to carry all my stuff. And so after a long search, I finally found the backpack that suited all my needs and that was versatile enough to do anything I needed it to do. And I've had this backpack for about 5 months, and I've been holding back on this review so I can put it in the field and actually put it to the test. And I've taken it to Thailand, the Philippines, Tokyo, Singapore, California, Oregon in the last 5 months. And now I can say it's time for the proper review. So let's take out this backpack and let's give it a look. So this is the bag. It's something that I would typically look with hiking gear on it. And I'm talking backpacking gear. Tent, utilities, but this is what the backpack looks like. So now I'm going to walk back off camera and take off some of the stuff so it looks a little bit more simplistic as something you would use every day. Alright, and I'm back. And this is how the backpack looks more simplistic and how you guys want to see it. I just wanted to show you guys how versatile the backpack is. I was able to put all my hiking gear for a day overnight backpacking trip on this backpack. But now look how it looks. Alright guys, I wanted to show you 2 looks for the backpack, and that's the reason why I came full on with hiking gear for a backpacking trip. And then I came with the backpack without the hiking gear and showed you how simplistic it looked for daily use. Alright guys, now let's dig deeper and let's get into this review. This is the Thule Covert DSLR backpack roll top, and this is the backpack here. It is aesthetically beautiful. Let's get into some of the specs of this backpack. It's 4.97 pounds. It is on the heavier side, but it makes up for that in some other areas. This is the dark shadow colorway. I thought I got black, but supposedly this is a dark shadow, so I guess there's a more pure black. This is more a little bit faded. It is currently packed with a bit of stuff. About how much I would pack, a little bit less than I would on my travels. Alright guys, let's get a little bit deeper into this bag on this review. Once again, it's about 4.97 pounds dry weight with nothing in it. Size is about a 30 liter. With the roll top, maybe 32 to 35 liters total capacity. So what I want to go over with this bag, guys, is the specs of it, the features, how comfortable this bag is, durability, aesthetics and looks, price point, and my experience overall with the bag. Alright guys, let's just dig deep into some of the compartments on this bag, starting with the front of this bag. So first, let's go into this front section right here. We have the Thule logo right here, Thule Sweden. It is made of this canvas nylon material that is water resistant. Here we have some sturdy buckles. I've had no problems with it. Front area opens here. This is just extensive organization. With me and my bags, I really like staying organized, especially when I'm on my travels. So first we have this huge pocket right here that unzips. And once again, we have these quality YKK zippers, and they feel very fluid. And I don't think they're gonna break anytime soon. They'll definitely hold up. But we have this pocket right here. And let's just go into that. I have some utensils in here. My Sawyer water filter from when I'm on the field and I need water to filter out. Got a headlamp in there. Obviously this isn't fully packed, but I just want to go over the compartments itself. But you can fit a lot in here. And also has this little key holder. And then moving on, we have these 2 Velcro pockets. I like to keep my passport in here within the passport holder. That being because this flap goes down and that keeps it more secure from people that may try to go in your bag. So we have 2 of those. And I'll go over this a little bit later, but there's not much elasticity in this material. It's very stiff, but that's the reason why it's so durable. Here I got a charger, some receipts, but we got these 2 pouches right there. Moving on down to the bag, we have another one of those zipper pockets. But within here, there's nothing but an empty pocket. It's just one hollow pocket. I like to keep some paracord and whatever in there. And then lastly, we have this last flat pocket, a little bit bigger than these. And here, I like to keep an external rain cover. This wasn't included with the bag. It is water resistant, but in heavy downpours, I always like to put a rain sleeve or a rain cover over my backpack. And I also like to keep a solar panel charger in there as well. You can see it closes back down. And we have the 2 buckles right here. And these do adjust. And sometimes I do even like to stick like a book within here, or even like a tripod. Even though there is a tripod holder on this side, you can stick other things here and then strap it down. That is the front section of the bag. I did add these carabiners on the front. And this is what I really love about this bag, is that it has so much external webbing on it that you can put any attachments you want. So this, I like to keep some carabiners so I can hang some stuff, maybe my camera. And there's 2 external webbings on each side right here. Down below, if you guys are interested, I've had this bag for 6 months and it's holding up perfectly fine. It has this reinforced canvas, water resistant material right there. Moving on to the side of the bag right here, we have this compartment here for a water bottle or a tripod. Currently I'm using my tripod right now, but it fits a compact travel tripod or maybe even a full tripod right here, and it has a cinch to keep that down. When I am on my travels or my hikes, I can fit a Contigo water bottle and my mini tripod in the same pocket and cinch it down with no problem. Talk about a little bit over here, we have the 2 straps. I did add more carabiners here just for utility reasons, but here we have the straps. They're very well padded, and also external webbing right here. And then it also has the chest strap here, which I have no problems with. It is very sturdy, it stays put. This bag doesn't have an internal frame as if it were a real backpacker's backpack or a sturdy hiking backpack, but this does feel pretty sturdy to me. It feels like there's some type of plastic or hard material there for extra support. It does have this soft padding that I find very comfortable. Also on top, we can cinch everything down tighter, closer together here. And then we have the handle up here that is very sturdy. You can lug your bag around. Moving on here, one of the most important pockets we have here is the laptop holder. This will fit a 15-inch laptop. Just fits my Lenovo Yoga 15-inch laptop. Very snug with a thin, super thin case on it. It will fit, and I'll show you guys. It also does have this iPad holder here, and then this durable water-resistant YKK zipper. No problems with this. Just to show you guys that a 15-inch laptop will fit. This is my 15-inch Lenovo Yoga book. I'm gonna fit this in. It does fit 15-inch laptops, but my current laptop is a little bit snug going in, especially with a thin case. But no problem going in, and closes very easily. So going on to the top of the bag here, we have more clips. Here you can put a sleeping pad if you're doing a backpacking trip. As I'm walking the city or on my travels, I like to cinch my jacket or my raincoat up there, just so it's out of the way, so my hands are free. So going to the top of the bag back here, we undo these buckles. YKK zipper here, and this one's, it feels very fluid as well. There's no problems with this zipper. So this is the main compartment of the bag. It goes about from here on up, and you can see it's just a hollow pocket. It can fit a lot of stuff, 2 days worth of clothing maybe, some electronics in there. I like to put my laptop charger, and waterproof cases with memory cards and stuff like that. But I'll put a lot of my tech stuff in there, or clothes, a pair of sneakers, anything in there, anything that'll fit. Take that, you roll that down, and you buckle that down, and that's it. All right guys, this right here is the main event. This is why this backpack shines. It is not the only backpack that has a side access panel, but this backpack truly does it very well. And here we have this side access panel, and this goes into the main compartment for your lenses and your camera. Hopefully you guys can see that. It is a huge compartment. I can fit my whole arm in there to fit your stuff. But this is a fully customizable. They have these dividers inside. You have like 5 or 6 of these dividers that you can strategically put in, customize the way you want to fit lenses here, maybe battery pack here. Me personally, I had this fully packed for my Thailand trip, and I fit a Mavic Pro in here, my mirrorless camera, my batteries for it. I packed this full. I had my other electronics and my laptop. This bag was fully packed for Asia, and it did me well. This also works with full-size DSLRs. It doesn't have to be mirrorless and compact cameras. And there also is this extra pocket right here with some dividers within too. Because SD card pockets or camera battery pockets. Alright, so you guys can also take this capsule out completely, just like so. Comes out just like that. You have a full-on regular backpack, so now this whole compartment is available for you to use. I can use this bag for weekend trips. That is the reason why I love this bag. It's so versatile for anything you need, and you have the ability to take out that full capsule just like so. Aesthetic appeal, out of 10, I really think that this bag is a 10 out of 10. A lot of the DSLR bags and tech-savvy bags that I was looking at weren't very aesthetically appealing. I kind of wanted a simplistic look, something that didn't scream camera bag, that I have thousands of dollars in this bag as I travel. Being in Thailand and the Philippines, it isn't the safest places to be sometimes, so you kind of want to be more discreet. So overall, 10 out of 10 on aesthetics of this bag. Maybe somewhere where this bag falters is on its side. You can see a lot of that bulkiness in the beginning of the video when it's fully packed with hiking gear. So if you do have a smaller stature, this may not be the bag for you. I'm around 5'7", I have broader shoulders. This bag fits my back perfectly. I don't think the bag is oversized for myself. If you do have less broad shoulders, aren't as wide, the bag may look a little too big. So let's talk a little bit about comfortability and how comfortable this bag is. Due to the padding on the shoulder straps and this back, it's very, very soft, and overall comfortability is great. It lacks one thing, and I think this is where this bag falters, and this is having no hip strap. And with no hip strap and just a chest strap, after long walks with a fully loaded bag or long day hikes, you might start feeling it on your shoulders. And I really think that's where that hip strap would really mitigate against that stress on your shoulders. And I would probably rate it 10 out of 10 if it had that hip strap and distributed the weight a little bit more evenly throughout your back. Let's get into durability itself. Overall, the bag is a 10 out of 10. Durability is outstanding. I've had this for 5 months now, and I've had no problems, no signs of wear at all. It basically looks brand new. I'm talking about water resistant. If you have light rain or maybe a heavy downpour for a little bit, this bag will hold up and keep everything dry. But I do have that extra rain cover, and I was hiking 5 hours in heavy downpour, strong winds, and nothing got wet. Overall, durability is outstanding. Some of the other bags I was looking at, like the Wandered Provoke, I did see used bags scarring from scuffs and just being dragged around. I've thrown this bag everywhere. It doesn't show any signs of wear, so that's exactly why I like this canvas material. That doesn't scar, doesn't pick up marks, so that's great. So durability, outstanding. Also, Thule, reputable brand from Sweden. They do have a 25-year warranty on this bag as well, so you know that they're making quality products. Also in the durability, zippers are outstanding. The buckles feel great. I have no problems with that. The bottom is reinforced. Everything is perfect. This bag is a little expensive. It's at the $200 retail mark. I did get this bag on sale with the coupon code luggagepro.com. I got this bag on sale for $160. On Amazon right now, it's around $195. Keep looking. It looks like this bag fluctuates a lot. It's been out for, I think, maybe 4 to 5 years. So you'll see some sales on this bag, but price point's expensive, but well worth the money. Overall experience with the bag is phenomenal. Take it for traveling, the city just for photography, weekend trips with just clothes in it. This bag is so versatile, and that's the reason why I love this bag. And it also goes along with versatility is all this webbing and all this ability to customize this bag and add anything you like. In the beginning, you saw on this bag, I had my tent on the bottom. The reason being is because having this external webbing allows you to add attachments to this bag like so, and I was able to add this strap and clip on my tent. Also, my hatchet was across the top. A sleeping pad here for your backpacking trips, so that works perfect right there. On the hiking side, I do use this bag for day hikes and some overnight backpacking trips. It works, it is bearable. Yes, without that hip strap, it does add weight to your shoulders. It doesn't distribute weight evenly across, so you will feel that strain on your shoulders. on long day hikes, but it is bearable and I do use this for day hiking. So let's talk about the positives. So versatile, so durable, so worth the price. Everything about this bag is amazing. Customability, being tech savvy, being able to hold that laptop, that DSLR, and the size is phenomenal. It can fit everything you need. Everything about this bag is great. Definitely worth the price. Let's just talk about some negatives. There are some flaws to this bag that I did mention already. That being, there is no hip strap that I would love. If they did put a hip strap on this bag, maybe it would be the best bag ever, ever, ever. Also, another negative to this bag is this back padding. I'm kind of nitpicking at this point, but on my recent trip to Oregon, I was stuck in a storm hiking and this got wet. Even with the rain cover over it, this is still exposed. So this got wet and had to take a few days to dry. Another negative, also I'm nitpicking, is that there isn't much elasticity in these pockets, so it is snug. You can't really put things that are oversized in these pockets since there is no elasticity, but that's just nitpicking and that's bearable. Overall, backpack, amazing. Alright guys, to wrap it all up, who is this bag for? It's for someone that needs a versatile backpack to travel, hold the DSLR camera, their laptop, and also maybe use the bag for day hikes and some overnight backpacking trips. This is the backpack for you. Even for college students, this backpack is amazing. It's so discreet and stylish that you can use it for any occasion. You can dress it up, dress it down. You can even maybe take this bag to the office. It's that aesthetically appealing. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below for more content. My name's Eric V. Everyone, thank you for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys on another one. My camera's about to die. Get out of here.